Let's talk about the California wildfires. If you don't know what I'm talking about, there have been these wildfires in California recently in the start of 2025. Like bro, I checked on the news and I saw the death toll is being risen up little by little. Hopefully these wildfires stop soon, and in the meantime we have to see what happens to California. Hopefully it doesn't affect any other state. That's all I wanted to talk about. If I find more news, I'm sharing it on TikTok and I'll share it on my YouTube channel.